Here she goes.
There you go, Bailey. Good girl.
Woo! Big girl.
Like that.
Hey!
Wow.
Jonathan, you're too big for it. You are. You're squishing the whole thing in. What? Whoa. Go down, last time.
You gonna get in, Bailey? God, it's like the tub. It's like taking a bath.
Yeah, Izzy started getting in and just splashing around like this before I even poured any hot water into it to warm it up a little bit. I'm like, kid, you are crazy.
It's like a bath, baby.
Only cold.
Oh, you want to go down the slide, huh?
Jonathan, get out of Bailey's way.
Oh, baby.
Woo!
How much was this?
$30.
Wow, at the BX?
Walmart. I got it at Walmart.
That's awesome.
I'm taking videos just so Eric can see.
I love her bathing suit.
My brother and sister-in-law have a daughter that's a little older than her, so we have great hand-me-downs. Say hi to Eric, Mark.
Oh, please.
Hey, the big girls. How's the water? Is it nice and cold?